Hey there, everyone. In today's video, I wanted to walk through this Google Search Console API connector tool that I had built. So out of the box, Google Search Console only allows you to typically export up to 1,000 queries or rows at a time. But Google does have an API connector, which allows you to broaden that aperture and export more than that 1,000 row limitation from base Google Search Console. So what this tool does is it taps into that API, and all you have to do is sign into your Google account and select the Search Console property that's associated with that account, adjust any filters, and then fetch your data to then download as a CSV file. So walking through, you first just have to sign in to your Google account by clicking this link, and then grant authorization for the app to access the API or the account where your permissions are for your Search Console data. Continue. And then it'll pull up all your information associated with that account. And then you can adjust based on search type, so web, image, video, news, preset date ranges or your own custom range. Page and query are automatically included for dimensions, but you can also include country, date, or device. You can also compare time ranges, so setting your custom date range to compare versus a different date range, so year over year, quarter over quarter. And then including any keyword filters that you want specifically to draw from when running the tool, or any keywords that you do want to omit. This is pretty helpful when it comes to doing like non-branded versus branded search. And then any specific URLs or subfolders that you want to grab query information from. If I broaden this a little bit, I'll show you how it kind of works using a dummy domain. So fetching data, it'll tell you how long it takes, depending on how much query information you're exporting. Let's say it's 80,000 to 1,000, 80,000 to 100,000 rows. It may take a couple of minutes, but that'll be reflected on this bar when you're fetching that data. But once it's done, you can preview the table to see how it came out, if everything looks accurate and correct. And then you can just download a CSV file that contains all of this information. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Hopefully you find the tool to be helpful, and I will catch you all later.